For the grilled chicken, we need to marinate first. For that, we require 2 tablespoons of red chili, and then a teaspoon of pepper powder, and then a teaspoon of corn flour, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to add half cup of curd. I'm going to squeeze full lemon. We are not going to add any water to this. We are going to do this with the help of lemon juice and curd water content. So this marination masala is enough for 600 grams of chicken pieces. So I have taken leg piece as well as some wings for the grilled chicken. It's best to marinate for overnight. Otherwise you can marinate up to 5 hours. We need to keep it in the refrigerator. Now it's all done. We need to mix the masala. Now I've taken 600 grams of chicken pieces, and you need to cut the chicken into this. You need to slit the chicken pieces like this. Slit it like this so that the masala can penetrate inside this. Now we'll marinate one by one. Just add the masala in the slits like this, and then you can keep this here. Take this again, marinate. Now I have not used any colors for this, so it is not in bright red color. If you want, you can use any food color. Here is the marinated chicken. So we can leave this in refrigerator overnight, and then we can take it in the next morning. If you can't wait till overnight, you can keep at least up to 5 hours and then start grilling the chicken. Now we are going to make green dip for grilled chicken. For that we need coriander leaves. How much ever you are taking coriander leaves, take quarter amount of pudina leaves. So I am using half coriander leaves and quarter sum of mint leaves, and I'm going to add a long green chili. If you want more spicy, you can add one more chili, and then 4 to 5 of garlic pods, and little salt, and lemon juice, half lemon juice. Squeeze it. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar. First we need to grind this, and then we can add the curd. Now I have given 1 to 2 pulses. Now I can add half cup of curd. It should not be a sour curd. Now let's give 2 to 3 pulses. Now the green dip for grilled chicken is ready. Super easy green dip. Now we are going to make chili garlic mayonnaise. For that we need 2 red chilies. So first we need to break it into 2 pieces and add it to the mixie jar, along with little garlic pods, 4 to 5 garlic pods. First we need to crush this, and then we'll come back. Crush the red chili and garlic. Now we are going to add half lemon. Squeeze the half lemon, then a tablespoon of sugar, salt to taste, and then I'm going to break open 1 egg and add it to this. Let's give one pulse for this. Now we can add a quarter cup of oil. I'm adding olive oil. You can choose any sunflower oil or olive oil. Now the super creamy chili garlic mayonnaise is ready. A good combination for grilled chicken. Convention oven, press at 180 and then give a start. Now I'm using the higher rack, wire rack. I'm just greasing with a little oil. Now I have placed the chicken pieces in the wire rack. Now it's ready to keep it inside the micro oven. Now I'm going to keep it inside this micro plus grill option here. So stop this function and then select 1, 2, 3. 3 times you have to press this micro plus grill option and you will see the indicator to be combination 2. So I'm going to set the temperature for 20 minutes and give a start. Now let's open this. After 10 minutes we need to turn the chicken pieces to the other side. So we need to remove this rack and then turn it, and you can apply even oil. I will show you. Remove this carefully. Now we'll close it.
At express cooking.
Start.
Okay.
Now the program micro plus grill mode in combination 2 has ended. So what is combination 2 is 55% microwave cooking and 45% grill cooking. Now we'll remove the rack and we'll turn to Now we need to grill the chicken pieces. So press the grill button once. You can see the grill symbol there, and we'll set the time for 20 minutes. In the interval of 10 minutes we need to turn the chicken pieces to the other side, and again we have to keep it inside and continue the cooking process for 20 minutes. Now it's been 10 minutes, so let's open it, and we need to flip to the other side. So we'll take out the rack outside and we'll just flip it over. I'll show you the close shot of this. Look at it. It looks so nice. So after flipping the chicken pieces, we need to apply oil, and then again we are going to place it inside. This is the last 10 minutes of cooking grilled chicken. So it's getting ready. Perfectly cooked grilled chicken. Looks absolutely fine. I just can't wait to taste it. It goes very well with chili garlic mayonnaise and the green dip. Do give a try to this recipe and share your feedback in the comment section. And also like the video if you like it, and also share with your friends and family. Do subscribe to Saranya Recipe Box. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.